Alright guys, we're at Cabinets Quick. Got another good one for you today. So we're gonna talk about a little bit about leg levelers again. So that's what a leg leveler will look like on the bottom of the cabinet. And I left the clips on this one over here. And I'm gonna demo how the clips will kind of work. So you'll notice that the clip itself will move up and down a little bit. So you're not really worried about locating it exactly. Also, the clip will move a little bit left to right in the little groove it's got, okay? So you don't have to be perfectly exact when you put it onto the toe kick front. The other thing you'll notice about the leg levelers is that there's grooves in them. So the groove is actually to put a screwdriver like that, and you can twist it to adjust them up and down to fine tune them once they're installed. Now the one in the very back everybody gripes about, but basically if it's long enough you can go to the back and do the same thing. So you can either make a stick or something and then you can reach on into the back. But what most people, or what we recommend, is you kind of just set the legs before you put them onto the base so everything's mostly there, and then you can adjust it easier. So now I'm going to show that I put this little clip onto a piece of wood and it's screwed on. I didn't really measure it or anything, and all you really do is you come in. Let's see if I can get this angle for you here. You come in and it will clip in like that. And to be honest, if you give me a second, I'll raise this up a little bit. I'll show you that once you raise it up, we can come in and we can clip it like that. And that's how they work. So if you got an end, it's gonna come in on the end. You do the ends like that, and you do the fronts like that. And we'll see you in the next video.